back. Prime Minister Modi is on a 3-day visit to Sri Lanka. Around 7 MOUs were signed between Sri Lanka and India, focusing on defence, health and infrastructure. The Prime Minister was honoured by Sri Lanka with the highest civilian award after being conferred the Mitra Vibhushana Medal. Prime Minister Modi dedicated the honour to 140 crore Indians and thanked the Sri Lankan President for the gesture. In his speech, Prime Minister Modi spoke about the strong ties between Lanka and India. He said that Sri Lanka will rise stronger and India will help them at every cost. Prime Minister Modi also mentioned that India will assist Sri Lanka in building the Sita temple. Tomorrow, Prime Minister Modi will be visiting the Anuradhapura and pay homage at the sacred Jayashri Mahabodhi tree. He will formally inaugurate the Maho Anuradhapura railway signalling system and the newly upgraded Maho Umanathai railway line, both of which were established with assistance from the Indian government.
भारत के लिए यह गर्व का विषय है कि हमने एक सच्चे पड़ोसी मित्र के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन किया है। चाहे 2019 का आतंकी हमला हो, कोविड महामारी हो या हाल में आया आर्थिक संकट, हर कठिन परिस्थिति में हम श्रीलंका के लोगों के साथ खड़े रहे हैं। राष्ट्रपति दिशा नायक ने अपनी पहली विदेश यात्रा के लिए भारत को चुना था और उनके पहले विदेशी अतिथि बनने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला है। यह हमारे विशेष संबंधों की गहराई का प्रतीक है। हमारी नेबरहुड फर्स्ट पॉलिसी और विजन महासागर दोनों में श्रीलंका का विशेष स्थान है। आज राष्ट्रपति दिशा नायक द्वारा श्रीलंका मित्र विभूषण से सम्मानित किया जाना मेरे लिए गौरव की बात है। यह सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं, बल्कि यह 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सम्मान है। यह भारत और श्रीलंका के लोगों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और गहरी मित्रता का सम्मान है। इस सम्मान के लिए मैं राष्ट्रपति जी का, श्रीलंका सरकार और यहाँ के लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
සිය රට දියුණු නව ලෝකයක් කරා ගමන් කිරීමට බාධාවක් පවතින දේශපාලන සංස්කෘතිය සහ අගතීන් විනාශ කරන බවට ජනතාව සමග ඇති කරගත් සම්මුතියකින් බලයට පැමිණි ගරු ශ්‍රී නරේන්ද්‍ර මෝදි මැතිතුමා විසින් ඉන්දියාවේ සිදු කළ දේශපාලන පරිවර්තනයට සමාන අපේක්ෂාවන්ගෙන් යුතුව
බලය අත්පත් කරගත් අප මෙම සිදුවීම් අගය කිරීම and we appreciate all these events and I consider it as a matter of
ශ්‍රී ලංකාව සහ ඉන්දියාව අනාදිමත් කාලයක සිට පවත්වාගෙන එන සබඳතාවල සමීපත්වයේ සහ මිත්‍රශීලී බව
time and this reflects this friendship.
වඩා අඩු පටු සාගර තීරයකින් වෙන්ව ඇති.
And Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri had briefed the media on India-Sri Lanka bilateral talks and what's going to be on top of the agenda. Listen in.
There is a recognition also at the leadership level that the security interests of India and Sri Lanka are interlinked. Both leaders made this point emphatically today. Both in their restricted as well as delegation level talks and then at during the press statements as well. And it is on the basis of this understanding that today the two sides concluded an MOU on defense cooperation, providing further impetus to the existing defense partnership, signifying their shared commitment to regional security and stability.
And Geeta Mohan and Nagarjun Dwarkanath are reporting from Colombo. Take a look at these reports they sent.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also going to visit Anuradhapura, and there's going to be the religious connect. He's going to go to the Mahabodhi temple, significant because the sapling came from Bodh Gaya, and he'll go and pay homage to the Bodh Gaya, to the tree over there. There is a railway project that will also be inaugurated. There's an solar energy project that will be inaugurated virtually by the two leaders from Colombo. Trincomalee, very, this is the Tamil outreach where they're looking at creating an energy and an industrial hub.